Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Forget complicated layered and fancy baking techniques. Today we are making a dessert that is guaranteed crowd pleaser and the ultimate combination of chewy, gooey and sweet, our spectacular chocolate chip cookie cake. This isn't just a giant cookie, it's the thickest, chewiest and most satisfying cake you will ever bake. We are going to show you the secret of getting that perfect texture, soft in the middle, crispy on the edges and absolutely loaded with chocolate chips. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to make the batter, take a large bowl, add 225 grams butter, room temperature, and then beat it until it is nice and smooth, or until the butter changes its color to slightly pale white. So as you can see that the color is changed to pale white now and it is nice and smooth. Then add 200 grams brown sugar, 40 grams granulated sugar and beat it until well combined. Then add 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Add 1 tablespoon vanilla paste and mix it until everything is well incorporated. Then take a separate bowl and add 280 grams all-purpose flour or maida. Add 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon corn flour, half teaspoon coffee powder, a pinch of salt, and then give it a nice mix. Then add the dry ingredients, but add only half a mix at a time and beat it until everything is well combined. Also make sure there are no lumps. Then add the remaining flour and beat it until the batter is nice and smooth. Then simply use a spatula and combine everything together. Make sure the consistency of the batter is something like this. Then add 125 grams milk chocolate chunk, 200 grams chocolate chips, and then give it a nice mix. So the batter is ready now. Then simply take a baking loaf tin. I have lined it with baking paper. Then add the cake batter in the pan and spread it nicely. Then gently tap the tin on the surface and bake it at 175 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. Cook it until the center of the cake is perfectly cooked. So the chocolate chip cookie cake is ready. Once the cake is cooled down, then simply demold it and cut it into your desired shape and size. And there you have it guys, your very own spectacular and utterly delicious chocolate chip cookie cake. Just look at that perfect golden brown crust, the gooey center and that crispy edges. This dessert truly is an ultimate crowd pleaser and the best way to celebrate anything. I truly hope you enjoyed baking this giant, chewy masterpiece. It's so much fun to make and even more fun to eat. Give it a try and let me know in the comments below how your cake turned out. If you love this recipe, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and families, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.